Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to show you how to fix error in the Jackpot lottery app on iPhone. If your app is not opening, crashing, freezing or showing an error message, don't worry, just follow this step. First, make sure your internet is working. Try switching between Wi-Fi to mobile data or mobile data to Wi-Fi. A weak connection can cause app error. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen, find the Jackpot lottery app and swipe it away to close. Now open the app again and check if the error is fixed. You can also press and hold the power button, slide to off your iPhone, wait for 10 seconds, then turn it back on. This fixes many small problems. After that, open App Store, search for the Jackpot lottery app. If you see any update button, tap it. Older app version often cause error. If the error is still there, delete the app. Press and hold the app icon, then tap remove app, restart your iPhone. Now install the app from the App Store. Sometimes the problem is not your phone, the app server may be down, wait a few minutes or try again later. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.